Handy tools can help people enjoy a beautiful life. We provide best quality of garden hoses to make watering flowers and plants more easy and more interesting. Durable fabric design for expandable and heavy-duty garden hoses for abrasion, leak and puncture resistant. Small and lightweight for storage and convenient to use. Expands up to 2 times of its original length to unleash the limit of watering perimeters to every garden corner. Elastic hose for tear resistance and automatic release to prevent twist tangles or kinks. Automatic restoration to original length after water is out. Open the nozzle to drain residual water in the hose to save labor for residual water management. Lightweight materials to make it easy for storage. Heavy-duty garden hose up to 600 psi burst rated. Surface fabrics made with high-strength materials, quick drying and diffusion-proof, wear resistance and excellent corrosion resistance and durable quality. Pliable cord can prevent kinks and automatically retract from dents and tangles. Allow water to flow across after being dented and tangled to ensure uninterrupted flow. Drinking water safe. Passed the California Proposition 65 standard. Hongda products bring convenience and make watering easy. Turning troubles into fun.